So I'm recording this right after the video on how mewing unknowingly changed my life without myself knowing it. And I want to start getting into unscripted videos simply because I find them personally more engaging. I find myself enjoying more recording. And I think my energy is gonna be able to draw you in and therefore make it more interesting for you too. And I also want to promote my, I guess, authentic side, and that is literally speaking to a camera without any filters and without any scripts. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So how to mew. There are two main methods on how to mew, and I want to honestly cut it short. I don't want to, you probably know already how that looks. You probably heard about this. So therefore, let's get right into the two methods. So the first method is actually very simple. So point number one, you smile a lot, and right after that, you actually swallow. So that's gonna look something like this. That's very simple. So quite literally smile, and right after that you swallow, and that's gonna put your tongue into place in order to get a better jawline and overall fix your facial structure. Method number two, any word that has NG as the end letters, so it could be anything such as sing. Making this sound actually puts the tongue into place so that you can actually have the right facial structure in order to breathe better, in order to have a better jawline and fix your facial structure. So this is a very quick video. I don't want to honestly keep it for too long. So if you're interested into learning further on how to thrive in high pressure situations, I made an ebook on the subject. If you're interested into connecting with me, you can find me on Instagram. And make sure to engage in the comments because I'm very interested into speaking with you further. So this has been Elia from eliacanu.com, and I'll see you soon with the next video. Alla prossima. Remember to mew, but do it correctly. Don't fuck it up. It's really important.